If you are a publisher on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which is the same is as Amazon KDP, and you have been struggling to make sales, listen to me. The information in this video will help you a lot. So if you can follow this guide from beginning to end, I promise you things will change to good and you will start making more sales, okay? So let's get into it. Whether you're watching this from America, United States, United Kingdom, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, or any African country or European country in the world, this guide applies to you, irrespective of where you are watching from. Okay, so the first point is this: what are you writing about on Amazon? Are you writing what people want to read, or you are writing what is in your mind? If you want to make money, you must write what people want to read and not what you feel like writing. When I discovered the platform, I wasted some months writing what I like because I was just writing about youth empowerment, social issues, and some political topics. But it was later, after I attended one training, that I found out that this is not what Americans need. This is not what people from UK need. This is not what people from Spain want to read. Okay, so since I made that discovery, I had to adjust. I get in it. I had to adjust to start writing what the people want to read. So, if you want to make money, you must get ready to change. Yes, no matter that part of writing you have been doing, that niche you have been in before, that category you have been writing. See, I want us to change something here. All right. So let me take you to Amazon for you to see how you can know topics that sell. And from there, you capitalize on those topics and then create your own. All right. I'm taking you in steps. So let's get over there. All right. All right, my Edge web browser has opened, so let me visit Amazon.com. All right, so as the Amazon.com website opens, come to this section you have, this menu section you have all, click and select books because we want to discover books that sell. As books is selected, don't type anything here, just press the enter key of your computer keyboard or you click on this search button. Okay, now by this module, you can see some book options that are listed here. But we want to get to departments. Okay, so this is a department containing different sections or different types of book, which you can call niches. Okay, so let's say I want to discover a book that does well in technology. Because in this channel, in this my YouTube channel, I talk about technology. So I want us to use technology to give example. All right. Okay, so here is computers and technology. But note that you can check all these other niches as well. But let's use technology, computers and technology. So I'll click. Then as this page opens, you can see some books that are doing well in this technology. But this is just, they are just broad categories. So we have to niche down. Okay. So under category, computers and technology, you still have some other sections under it. So let's focus on software. Okay. So I'll click on software. Then under this software, you can still see some other niches under it. You have accounting, we have Adobe, you have database, you have design and graphics, we have enterprise applications. Are you getting it? Okay, so let's say I want us to check some books that are doing well in enterprise applications. Okay, so I'll click on that. This takes us to this section. So now we have niche down and under enterprise applications, you can see business intelligence tools. Are you getting it? But let's just focus here. You can see here it's same designing machine learning system. Some of these books can be complex actually, but for example, now this designing machine learning systems, it's okay. You can skip it if you don't have any idea there. Then you can see this one, AI. This is about AI accelerator. I get in it. So you can click on this and make research and write topic on that. Then this is QuickBooks Online. This is microservice. Okay, so let's still go down and see if we can get some books that may be easy for us to write. Okay, so look at this book here, stay under this category, this enterprise application, which is the Chat GTP Millionaire. Are you getting it? So I'll click on that. This is a bestseller under a natural language processing. So let's see the ranking here. Okay, you can see this book, bestseller rank 1574 in books. That means it's selling very well. Okay, so you can see, okay, this book is doing well. So, how do I rebuild my own topic here? Any book that has bestseller rank from 150,000 down and you capitalize on that title and write your own, you are likely to make sales. Okay, so this is a nice keyword. So let's see how we can create our own title from here. So if, for example, I want to write, okay, the chat GTP millionaire, I can say, okay, chat GTP for beginners. So here I will give it a subtitle. If I write this book, it has potential to sell because people are searching for chat GTP. Okay, the same thing applies to other categories. When you select other categories, you niche down, you will see some books that are doing well there. Then you know how to structure your own title and then write on that. Okay, that is point number one on how you can make sales on Amazon KDP. So let's discuss point number two. The point number two is cover. Don't play with the book cover of the book you're writing. Yeah, there's a saying that you don't judge a book by its cover, but we do. People, when they look at a particular design and it captures their attention, that is first impression, they can then read about the book in the description section. So ensure your cover is good. Look around your locality. You can see a professional cover designer to design a cover for you. Okay. If you are maybe from Nigeria, you can meet some stores that do computer, like say business centers. Then look for a cover designer there, talk to them about the cover you want to create. They'll give you good design for as low as 5,000 naira. Okay, so once they design the front cover for you, you can then use cover creator when you are now setting up your book to have that in the front cover. All right, then at the back cover, you can just use the cover creator to do that. It's simple. All right, so please have a good cover. All right, let me give you an example from Amazon website for you to know between these two book covers, the one you will go for. Okay, so look here at these two books. You can see introduction to Nigerian youth challenges and unemployment and drug abuse among Nigerian youth. If these two books are to be on the same topic, which one will you buy? Will you go for this or will you go for this? Definitely you go for this because this shows some professional designs more than this. Can't you see how this looks? So bad. So pay attention on your book cover and then give the job to somebody that knows how to do it. But if you can but if you can design a good book cover, create it by yourself. Okay? So that's another point you have to know for your book to sell on Amazon KDP. Another thing you have to pay attention to is the subtitle. When you're creating your book, ensure the book has both title and subtitle. Take for example, I'm creating a book on Microsoft Word. Let's say Microsoft Word for beginners. In the subtitle, I can have it like this. Learn how to use the word processor or the most popular word processor developed by Microsoft with illustrations. Okay, so somebody may be searching and be looking for something with illustrations because we have it in the subtitle section. It will be picked and shown to the person. So don't play with that. Then another thing is still under the tip number three is the back end keyword area. You see those seven boxes? Please fill them. When people search for a particular title, Amazon still looks at that to show the potential buyers. This is what you're looking for. Okay. So maybe at the back end, for example, now the Microsoft Word for Beginners I used there. At the back end, you can see you can have keyword like how to create Word documents in easy steps. So fill them, just fill the related searches people may be searching for based on that particular title. Okay, so that your book will show up when people search for it. Let's get to tip number 4. All right, the tip number 4 is the use of pen names. Don't play with that. As a writer, as a self published author, I have used over 5 pen names. Amazon allows you to use pen names. And look at it. If you are writing from Nigeria or from Africa, listen, if your name is Okonkwo, Uzochukwu, or any of those local names that is difficult for Europeans and Americans to pronounce, please find one nice pen name that have not been used overused by on Amazon, or maybe somebody that is on the same category with what you're with where you're writing on. Okay, the same niche. Find a name that has not existed there. You can use them like Mike Richard, okay, or Kevin Richard. Find something nice so that by the time people look at your book, they'll be like, okay, this is one of us. Or maybe like, you know, don't use something too local. Don't use Uzochukwu there because when they look at it like, Uzochukwu, can this guy speak good English? Can he write good English? No, 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 no. I'm not going for this. So make them understand that you guys are on the same page. Okay? Then with those pen names, you can make sales. All right? This is a key. Another point is building your brand. Okay? As you use your pen name or your real name, if you are an American or European, at a point, build brand around what you know you are good at. If you're into tech and maybe you're using a name Michael Richard or Mike Richard, create more books, more tech books under that same name. Okay, if one of the books is doing well, it can make your buyers to buy the rest of the other books. Okay, so create an author page. As you create the author page, build your brand around there and have more books in that particular niche. Okay, so let's take example. Let me just show you something on Amazon. Okay, so look at this book, Intermediate Excel 365. This is published by M.L. Humphrey. If I click here now, I'll be taken to the author's page. This author's page was created using the Author Central. So if you don't have Author Central, make research on how to create Author Central page. Okay, and build your brand around the name. You can see this ML Humphrey title. You have a lot here. Microsoft Office 365 for beginners, a lot. Excel for beginners, Excel Word for beginners, easy Excel essential skills. Come down here, you see a lot of his book, Affinity Publisher 2.0 for book formatting. So when somebody comes and buy this book, for instance, easy Excel essential lookup functions, he may be moved to get to the page, to the home page, and then buy other books. Sometimes if Amazon even recommend that under each of the books of the author. So the person can buy this or can buy this or can even scroll down and still buy more. So that makes you generate more sales. So as you grow in the field of writing, create your brand and have some books under the brand. When you obey these tips, I believe you make sale. Remember, be ready to make some adjustments. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. On this channel, we discuss technology and self-publishing. Okay, more on technology. So learn as much as you can to improve yourself. I am a YouTube content creator and I possess other skills. So you have to gain a lot from me if you subscribe to this channel. Okay, hit that like button for this video to go viral. Okay, and also leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to support this channel, check the Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below and support me by buying me a coffee. If I drink a coffee, is it bad? I know it's not bad. Okay, I like coffee. All right. Also, if you want to know how to format your book, Amazon KDP books, check out this video and thank me later. See you next time.